Have you ever wondered why your bones don't collapse like a house of cards each time you lift a heavy bag or perform a jumping jack? Bones are more than just the stuff of spooky Halloween decorations or the remnants of a hearty chicken dinner. They are living, breathing structures that play an essential role in our bodies. They provide structure, acting as the framework that holds us upright, allowing us to move and perform daily tasks with ease. But bones do more than support us. They protect our vital organs like the heart and brain from injury. They anchor our muscles, allowing us to run, jump, and dance. They also serve as a storage bank for calcium, a mineral that's essential for the functioning of our nerves and muscles. Bone health isn't something to take lightly. It plays a crucial role at every stage of our lives. From childhood and adolescence, when our bones are still developing, to adulthood and old age, when maintaining bone mass and preventing bone loss become paramount. Remember, your bones are the scaffolding that supports your body, and their health determines the quality of your life. So, how do we ensure that this vital support system stays strong and healthy? Well, first and foremost, a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D is crucial. These nutrients are the building blocks of bone, so it's important to feed your body plenty of them. Regular exercise, especially weight-bearing and muscle-strengthening activities, can also help build and maintain strong, healthy bones. But that's not all. Avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is equally important for bone health. And here's an interesting fact: our bones are dynamic, constantly changing structures. They're always busy, with new bone being made and old bone being broken down. When we're young, our body makes new bone faster than it breaks down old bone, increasing our bone mass. Most of us reach our peak bone mass around the age of 30. After that, bone remodeling continues, but we lose slightly more than we gain. Your habits in your early years have a significant impact on your bone health in your later years, but it's never too late to start taking care of your bones. But what if you've already crossed the age of 30 and didn't take care of your bones as you should have? This might sound like a daunting question, but fear not. It's never too late to start prioritizing your bone health. While it's true that the foundation for strong bones is laid during childhood and adolescence, adulthood isn't a stage for complacency. On the contrary, this is the time to adopt a bone-healthy lifestyle. This includes regular physical activity, which helps to strengthen bones and slow down bone loss. Alongside this, a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D is crucial. These nutrients are the building blocks of our bones and help to maintain their strength and density. But let's not forget about osteoporosis, a condition that weakens the bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. By adopting a bone-healthy lifestyle, you can significantly reduce the risk of this condition. Remember, it's never too late to care for your bones. With the right lifestyle choices, you can protect them and prevent bone loss. So, what's the secret to unlocking the full potential of our bones? Well, it's all about nurturing and maintaining them just as we would with any other aspect of our health. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. First, we've explored the importance of our bones, our body's natural support structure. We've discussed the basics of bone health and how our bones constantly rebuild themselves, a process that we can support with a balanced diet that's rich in calcium and vitamin D. We also touched on the significance of regular exercise, particularly weight-bearing and muscle-strengthening activities, which can help in promoting bone density. We've underlined the role of healthy habits, such as avoiding excessive alcohol and tobacco use, which can weaken our bones over time. Taking care of our bones is not just about preventing fractures or osteoporosis, it's about preserving our overall health. After all, a robust skeletal system supports mobility, balance, and physical activity, all crucial aspects of a healthy lifestyle. Your bones are your body's foundation. Treat them well and they'll carry you strong and steady through life.